everybody, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in today. I wanted to bring you this Vampy purple makeup look. I used several different Juvia's Place products for this look, and I wanted to show you guys what Fumi's new lip gloss looks like. Of course, you already know this is the palette. I featured it in a couple other different tutorials, but this is the Fumi gloss that comes in the collection. There is another shade called Royalty, which I didn't get because it's a nude, but I had to have this super vampy dark burgundy wine shade. The first color I'll be using for my eyes is called Sister to Sister, and it's the only peachy shade in the Fumi palette. I'm going to be using that as a transition shade. The second color I'll be using is called Ula, and it's the only red shade in the Fumi palette. The next shade I'll be using comes from the Afrique palette, and it's called Bentu. It's a deep red, almost a burgundy type of matte shade. And I needed this color because I didn't have the deep purple that I wanted to put on the outside. So I had to blend two colors together in order to make it the color I wanted. So I'll be using the Saharan palette with the color Chad, which is a matte black, to blend with Bentu to give me the purple shade that I wanted. And you guys will see it come together in just a minute. And I'm really just going back and forth between the two shades to try to get the color that I wanted. Now I'm gonna cut my crease so that I can lay down the main lid color. And I did use Makeup Revolution's white cut crease canvas base. I really do recommend this if you're gonna do a cut crease. For the main lid color, I'm using Adrian, which is the only purple shade from the Fumi palette. At this point, you could just decide if you want to add glitter or not. I did, but it's not necessary. You can really skip over the glitter part if you don't want glitter. And you see when I blend Bentu and that black shade together, it gives me a deeper purple wine color, and that's what I was going for. And here is where I start adding the glitter primer and the glitter. This glitter is called Heartbreaker, and it came from Glitter Addict. I'll link that below. It reflects blue, but it's really purple. And here I'm just adding a little bit of liner. Just a FYI, it's a little bit easier to add liner before you add glitter. Now I'm gonna do the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna go back and forth between the reds, the burgundy Bentu shade, and the black to get the colors that I want on the bottom lash line. And I did use the shade Iman from the Saharan palette in my inner tear duct, and at the beginning of my lower lash line, but I forgot, for whatever reason, I forgot to put it in this video. I don't know what happened or where that clip went, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew because you could see it right here. And that's basically it for this eyeshadow tutorial. I hope you guys really liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you're going to try it. Let me know what you guys think. I did use I Am Magic foundation for this look as well. Just so you know, that's what you're looking at when you see it on the pictures. And I will be back next time with another tutorial for you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing your thoughts on this makeup look. I will see you guys next time.